welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the NYX 12-day advent calendar. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. This advent calendar retails for $45 on NYX's website. That's where I purchased mine. They do also have a 24-day advent calendar. I did also purchase that, so definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, that way you never miss an upload. Definitely stay tuned for that video. Now let's get into the unboxing. Here's a closer look on what the advent calendar looks like. I love the holiday themed packaging, really pretty. Up at the top there's nothing there, and then on the side there's this little sticker here. I haven't even opened it yet. You can see it's secure. Same thing at the top, it's secure. On the back you have a picture of everything included in the advent calendar. Right underneath that you have the ingredients listed and then the shelf life. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here's what the inside of the advent calendar looks like. I love the details. Let's see what's behind day number 1. Here we have a deluxe size eyeshadow base. Here's what that looks like. This will definitely come in handy. Let's see what's behind day number 2. We have a single eyeshadow. This shade is called Peppermint Shimmer. Really soft in the pan. Wow, that is super pigmented with one swipe. Let's see what's behind day number 3. Here we have a deluxe size soft matte lip cream. This shade is called Canes. I don't have this shade in my collection. Let's see what it looks like. Canes is described as a muted mauve. That shade is really beautiful. Moving along to day 4. Here we have a deluxe size butter gloss. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. Creme Brulee is described as a natural gloss. That's pretty. Let's see what's behind day number 5. Another single eyeshadow. This shade is called Sleigh Bells. And once again, this has an 18-month shelf life. Again, very soft and smooth in the pan. Here's what that shadow looks like. Wow, that shimmer is gorgeous. Moving on to day number 6. Here we have a deluxe size setting spray. This has a matte finish. This has 0.60 fluid ounces or 18 milliliters of product. Let's see what's behind day number 7. We have another deluxe size soft matte lip cream. This is in the shade Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is described as a deep rose beige. That shade is really beautiful. Let's see what's behind day number 8. Here we have a deluxe size liquid highlighter. It's called Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is in the shade Gleam. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow. I think I put too much. Wow. Next up, we have day number 9. Here we have another butter gloss. This is in the shade Tiramisu. Tiramisu is described as a brown. It's more of a pink. I don't know why they have it described as a brown shade. Let's see what's behind day number 10. Here we have a translucent setting powder. Here's what the back looks like. I'm not sure how this will look like on my skin, but it does seem to leave a bit of a white film. I'll definitely apply this to my face later on. Next up, we have day number 11. Here we have a dewy setting spray. It's the same amount of product as in the matte one. Lastly, let's see what's behind day number 12. Another single eyeshadow. I feel like day number 12 should have been a big wow factor, or maybe a full-size product would be nice. Here's what the single eyeshadow looks like. This shade is called Gingerbread House. Here's what Gingerbread House looks like. It's not the best matte shadow I've ever swatched, but I guess it would be a great transition shadow. Here's everything that's included in this advent calendar. I'm gonna apply the lip products first so we can see what that looks like, and then we'll move on to creating an eyeshadow look. The first shade I'm gonna be applying is the shade in Creme Brulee. Here's what the shade in Creme Brulee looks like. This shade is really pretty. It does have a slight vanilla scent. The next shade is called Tiramisu. Here's what the shade in Tiramisu looks like. Another beautiful shade. Now I'm going to apply the soft matte lip cream in the shade Canes. Here's what the shade in Canes looks like. This shade is really pretty. Let's see what the last shade in Abu Dhabi looks like. Here's what the shade in Abu Dhabi looks like. This shade is really pretty as well. I'll leave this shade on. Let's see what the shade in Gleam looks like. This is their liquid highlighter. I'm gonna try and squeeze out that much. I applied a tiny drop. Let's see what this highlighter is all about. That's actually super pretty. Let's see what this finishing powder looks like. I'll apply it on one side. Here's what the finishing powder looks like. It did mattify my skin versus this side where I'm extremely oily. Let's take a little bit more of the finishing powder, apply this all over. The finishing powder is nice, but it does leave a little bit of a white cast. I can see it in person. I'm not sure if my camera is gonna pick it up, but it is noticeable. Now I'm gonna create a look using the single eyeshadows. Using a fluffy crease brush, I'm gonna dip into the shadow in Gingerbread House. I almost forgot to apply the eyeshadow base. Let's apply this first. Now we can apply the shade in Gingerbread House. I'm going to be taking that shadow, blending that in my crease, going back and forth, doing windshield wiper motions. This shade in Gingerbread House is super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the other eye. Using my finger, I'm going to dip into the shadow in Peppermint Shimmer. Apply this all over my lid. Wow, that shade is beautiful. Taking a pointed pencil brush, I'm going to dip into the shade in Sleigh Bell. Applying this in my inner corner. That shade is stunning. On the right side of my face, I'm going to set with the matte setting spray. Let's see how the mist performs. Okay, it's pretty good. I like how evenly this sprayed. On the left side of my face, I'm going to be setting it with the dewy setting spray. Again, let's see. I like the consistency. Here's what everything looks like. We have the dewy side. And then we have the matte side. Let me know in the comments down below which shade you prefer, a dewy finish or a matte finish. I'm going to apply a little bit of the shade in Creme Brulee on top of this matte lip. Here's what everything looks like. My final thoughts on the NYX 12-day advent calendar is that I think it's cute. It's not worth the $45 in my opinion. I think this advent calendar would be great for someone who's just getting into makeup or they want to try a couple of products from NYX. All the products that were included in this advent calendar were deluxe sizes. I was expecting at least one full-size product from NYX. For $45, you can create your own advent calendar and you can purchase full-size products on NYX's website. They always have sales going on. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you plan on purchasing this advent calendar for yourself or gifting it to a friend? If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.